Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube by 2 method. It's Campbell. We have to keep yellow on top and white on down. We have to use some formulas in this method so that you have to know some things. If I say this is the right side, this is back side, this is front, and this is up, U. If I say R, you have to move in clockwise direction, that is like this. If I say R1, it's anti-clockwise direction, like this. If I say F, you have to move F in clockwise direction. If I say F1, you have to move in anti-clockwise direction. If I say U, you have to move in clockwise direction. If I say U1, you have to move in anti-clockwise direction. If I say B, back side, you have to move in clockwise direction. If I say B1, you have to move in anti-clockwise direction. You must always keep yellow on top side and white on down side. First step we have to do is we have to make these four corners white. To bring four whites here, whites should be on the centers. Let's see, there's here one white, and another one white here, and another one white here, and another one white here. You see, there is this white, we can easily change this and bring it here. We can change this and bring it here. Here is one white, we can just change it. And there's one white here. We can easily bring four whites here. Sometimes white will be over here. For that, if you bring the white here, you can just change it and bring it here. Like this. You see? White is here. But then we have to bring just change it like this and bring it this side and bring it here. That's it. You see, they brought four white corners correctly. First step is completed. We have to enter the second step. We have to bring these four whites to downside, this corners. For that we have to match these two colors first. Two colors. There's blue, but here is orange. So we have to change the two layers here to bring the blue color. Match the two colors. Then we do R2 formula. Just downside, just two moves. And this one too did not no match. So we have to bring orange this side. And R2. Here, green. And R2. And we have to match the red here. And R2. You see, we get this white cross here. Step 2 is over. And we have to go into step 3. We have to bring these four corners white. We already have two white. There's only two needs to fill up. We have to bring white here so that we have to check which white will be perfectly aligned with this part. Not all whites are set in this place. So we have to check white will be perfectly aligned or not. For that we have to check these two colors match at this place. Here's orange. Here is no orange. But here is blue. There is only blue. So you just have to change this two layers and see whether match or not. Here's orange match. Here's blue and blue. This is the correct white that will be. There are 4 cases white may be available. On top, on front, on right and bottom. We see the 4 separate formulas for each of the cases. We have to use the formula for this one. White on top. Formula is RU, R1, U1 3 times. We have to use that is group like this. R, U, R1, U1. One time over R, U, R1, U1. 2 times over R, U, R1, U1. 3 times over. And you see white comes here. Then this side we have to see. You see this side red is red. But green is not green. So you have to change this to like this. Green, green, red, red. White is on the right side. This time, this case too, white is on the right side. Formula is RU, R1, U1 one time. R, U, R1, U1. See green and red, white. Here is one white, blue and blue match, red and red match. So, on top, we have to use the first case. RU, R1, U1, RU, R1, U1, RU, R1, U1. See, match there. Only one remaining, only one white remaining. It's on the right side again. Orange, orange, green, green. RU, R1, U1. See, all white match there. Sometimes white come on front side. So that you have to use formula U, R, U1, R1. Sometime on bottom. For that you have to use R, U, R1, U1 formula, one time formula. That's it. We get that T-shaped here. This is the way to check we did it correctly. You must get this T-shape to move on to the next step. Sometimes you won't get this T-shape because you match some wrong white here. For that you have to use the same formula for white at bottom. RU, R1, U1 one time. And you will get the white on goes back to top. And then align the two colors correctly and restart again. Since we get the T-shape, step 3 is over. We have to move on to step 4. Step 4 we have to match these two colors at every side. We have to check that non-yellow colors on the top. Here yellow. Here we have yellow. Here we have no yellow. And here we have no yellow. So we have to keep this as the right side. We have to see where this color match. Here front or back. In this case, It's green and it's in front side. So we have to use one formula. We have to make sure these three colors match. Let's take this side. Here it's blue, but here two are green. So we have to change it to match it to blue color. See here red. We have to check where the red are, front or back. You can see it's on back side. We are going to use formula for back side case. R U R U R U1 R1 U1 R1 U1. You see red goes here. Then we have to check other sides. Here is yellow somehow. Here only available. Here yellow. Here on color. Here is blue. So we have to turn blue matching. And we have to see where the orange is. It's in front side. So it's case 2. Front side formula we have to use. R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R U R U. See, the orange color matches. Orange matches, blue matches. Here we have no yellow color. Here yellow. Here to no yellow. We have to match here green. And we have to see red. Red is on front side. We have to use front side formula. R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U R. We match this orange. Now we have to check where's the green. It's on front. So front side formula. R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U. Now all the colors on 4 sides match. Sometimes you want to get these matching colors. Sometimes the side you will get wrong match. For that you have to use front side formula. Step 4 is over. Now we have to go to step 5, which is to bring yellow cross on top. We already get yellow cross, but sometimes you will get a single dot here, yellow, or this type of cross here, or this one line only. Sometimes you will get like this, but you have to change it to this direction only. You must keep this as inverted L. You have to use the formula F R U R1 U1 R U R1 U1 F1. This is case 2. This case formula is F R U R1 U1 F1. See, you get a cross again. If you get a single dot, the formula is same as the horizontal line. Step 5 is over. We have to move on to step 6. In step 6, we have to make sure these 4 corners match. Yellow, full yellow, 4 corners. We already have only 2 remaining. For that we have to change the position from top to bottom. We have to make the white as the top. Keep the non-yellow colors to be filled right side corner, and you have to use the formula until you get it. You will see it here itself. You will see it here itself. R-U-R-1, R-U, R-1, U-1, R-U, R-1, U-1. Did you see that? Yellow matched. Yellow came. You must not change the front side. Red, you have to note it. You must not change. We have to bring that non-yellow color to this right side corner. So we have to change like this. And we bring the non-yellow color to this right side corner. And use the same formula again. You must not change the front side. And you have to complete the formula RU, R1, U1. 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 We got yellow. And it completed. Yellow is completed. Step 6 over. And we again bring the yellow on top. You see, we got white, yellow, and these two colors. Only remaining is here. In step 7, we have to bring these two colors in. Two colors match. We already have one two color matched. So we have to bring these two layers to this side to match it and keep it back side. Keep it on the back side and do formula. Grip Rubik's cube like this. R1 is R1 B2 R is R1 B2 R2. You see, you get the two colors on every side matched correctly. And we have this one color completely matched. So we have to change this to like this and match in full side and keep it on back side. And this is the final step. You have to match this one color to this one. So now is R2 U R U R1 U1 R1 U1 R1 U that's it. We finally solved the cube. Sometimes you want to get it again, but so you have to use the same formula again.